you all doing in Bosses Land? I hope everyone's doing well this fine Wednesday. I'm about to record some videos and I wanted to do a review on this unit from Nadula. I did mention this unit in a previous video. I've never installed a unit on this camera. So we're going to do it for the first time today, y'all. So I'm going to tell you right now, I am not a wig expert. I just love wigs. And I just put them on and the best as I can and go about my business. So this is the unit, as you all saw in the previous clip. I absolutely love this unit. This unit, I think, is 22 inches. No, this is 20 inches because I never get more than 20 inches. I don't like for my units to be extra long. This is the body wave. It is an ombre wig. I got this from Virtual Niece Honey. Both of them, Pretty Brie Moore as well as Sharika B. It looks beautiful on both of them. So I said, why not install this with the girls today? So let's try to get this baby installed, hunty. So as you all can see, the HD on this wig is insane. Just look at that. Again, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all now, I'm not a professional installer, but we're going to try on this camera here. And my braids are pretty low. So we're going to go ahead and just do her, y'all, without the band. I have my hair in 2 braids. I did not go get my hair washed from my stylist because I opted not to. So usually what I do is I anchor the comb in the back and then I just push it on my head like this. Okay. Now, as you can see, the comb does not always align with the front of the unit. So I'm just going to pull this comb out so that the unit can move freely. So I typically just grab it. Is this a side part unit? Hold on. I don't think it's a side part unit. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. So this is a side part. So this is right. Okay. So as you all can see, I have her on. And I'm just going to pull her down. Make sure she's nice and taut. I hold the center piece and I grab it and pull it under my braid in the back. Because as I stated, I have two side braids. And as I mentioned in my previous video, ladies, I am not a stickler about having my units flat on my head. Baby, as long as homegirl is on there, we're good. Okay, so as you can see, this unit comes pre-cut. Okay, I am going to customize it, but for the sake of this video, I said I just wanted to install it, do my first wig install video, and let y'all see how I install my units. So now that she's installed, usually at this point I would do my wax stick and all of that. We ain't doing all that tonight. So let me see if I can find a clip to pull her back. Give me 1 second. So now I'm going to pull this unit back into a pony. So I'm just going to grab it and twist her really good. This is how I do mine. I try to keep things simple, y'all. I don't try to be all extra with my stuff. I just pull her back like this because the point of this is just to get her out of the way, the hair out of the way so that I could lay the lace down, okay? All right, ladies, so now she is positioned where I want her to be. And now I'm going to melt her, tie her up, and then do my makeup for my next video. So I am using this Eben Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray. And it's supposed to be for supreme hold. So I'm just going to spray this on. Like so. Okay. And I like to use my fingers just to, you know, I like to spray it on my fingers as well so that it doesn't drain on my face. And I'm just, as you can see, I'm just spraying this on the lace itself. And I have it pretty saturated, I think. Yeah, she's pretty saturated. And I'm going to put some on my fingers and just put it on the edges of this lace here. Like that. I got a little bit of flyaways, but it's okay. That's inevitable. Flyaways are disrespectful when you're installing your lace. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is so user-friendly, it's ridiculous. Now I'm going to take my band and I'm just going to put her on and secure the lace. Like, I tie my bands, ladies, because I like for my band to be nice and taut. And then we'll just like do a little bow or something like that. Okay, ladies, the lace melt is on. She's doing her thing. So while she's doing her thing, I'm about to run and get my makeup kit so that I can do my makeup video. We are multitasking around these parts, ladies. So now I'm about to run while this is melting. I'm going to go get my makeup kit so that I can do my face for my next video. And I need to record me doing my makeup, so I will be back. All right, guys, we are back. Makeup is done. Yeah, I got to take this thing off because my head is hurting. I'm one of those individuals, my head is hurting, so. Wig is on. Lace is melted. All of the things. And I like how Sharika does hers. Sharika actually pulls out hair. Oh, y'all, I don't know why my head is hurting right here, but let me just let my hair, and I got this from Sharika B. She pulls out baby hair. Y'all see how cute this is? Like, it's nice and laid and all the things. I'm going to take this down so y'all can see the final look of this unit. It is so stinking cute. Like, isn't this adorbs, y'all? I'm going to shade some of these baby hairs, but because I'm not a baby hair woman. Yes. I don't have any product on this yet. So let me put some mousse on here just to tame it. But this is so cute. Like, I absolutely love this. Again, guys, I don't have any product on this unit. This is the unit fully installed with my makeup. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. Like, she is so stinking cute. And yes, y'all, I would go ahead and run a hot comb through her just to flatten her or whatever. But I have some mousse in the other room. I'll be right back. Okay, ladies, I ordered this Vigorol curl mousse. I cannot believe Vigorol is still around, y'all. Vigorol was around when I was a little girl. My mom used to use that when she used to do our relaxers. But I'm going to put some of this on. So I'm going to just put some in my hand. I don't know how to spray this. Hold on, y'all. Okay. How do you spray it? Okay. This is a weird nozzle. Maybe I'm spraying it wrong. I'm sure I'm spraying it wrong. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm going to put some of this on her just to tame her a little bit and get her, like, because like I said, I'm going to be recording tonight. So I'm just not going to put a lot of product on this just yet, because the next time I wear her, I'm going to make sure, you know, she's nice and, you know, got some product on her and all those things. So again, I'm just putting some product on just to tame it down so it's not so frizzy. Y'all see how pretty she is? She's so gorgeous. That is so pretty. Look at the curls, guys. Look at that. Look at the curls. So pretty. So I have a couple of events to attend this weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and just probably wear this. I think it's time, y'all. It's spring, right? Is it spring, y'all? I don't know, child. I can't tell from the weather, honey. If it's spring, summer, fall, I don't know what we have going on. Oh my gosh, it was 80 degrees last week and 30 degrees this week. So, but this is so cute. So this is it, guys. So I absolutely love this. I'm not doing anything else to this unit. I'm going to let her dry so that I can record these videos and get them out. You guys have been asking for some more videos. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. I absolutely love this unit from Nadula Hair. Nadula, this video is not sponsored, but Nadula, if you want to sponsor Auntie, all of my information is in the description box below. Hit me up via email, girl. But I love this. I love the color. I just love the highlights. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I got to put my eyes in, honey, with this one. You know Auntie wear contacts, and I have colored contacts. So y'all want to see the color contacts? Let me put them on so y'all can see them, okay? And y'all can see the final look. Be right back. Okay, bosses, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. These are my little play contacts, honey. This is the other side of Auntie y'all don't know about. I'm just kidding. I never do a full beat on this channel. This is not even a full beat because I didn't bronze or anything like that. But I did put my contacts in so that you guys can see the final look. Look, I love the way I look naturally, but I also love playing with accessories. So I call these my eye accessories, and I love wearing them and just playing around when I go outside, honey. But anyway, y'all, this is the final look. I absolutely love this unit from Nadula Hair. So if you are interested in this unit, I will have all the information down in the description box. Also, if you love this look, check out my links below. I have all the products linked down below, and happy shopping. As always, guys, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and what? Be glad in. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.